Now, if you have drips or runs or some other roughness beyond just dust, you're going to want to do something a little bit more aggressive. And just like with the de-dusting or de-nibbing process, you need to wait for this finish to get to the state where it's hard and dry and smooth. There's zero sign of tackiness. How long does that take? As I mentioned before, it depends on your shop temperature, but typically look at it as like a day and a half, 2 days after sealing. If you need to do any kind of surface correction, you rolled it and there's roller texture that you can feel, you're going to want to sand that out. You don't need to remove the finish. You don't need to go back down to bare concrete. All you need to do is sand that texture off to get it back down to a nice even level. And for that, I would use 400 grit sandpaper. Maybe use a sanding block to sand that. You could do it wet, you could do it dry. I think early on I would do it dry just to be able to see what you're doing and not run the risk of getting on this a little too soon. Don't use anything coarser than 400 grit if you're trying to correct the surface. It's easy to over sand and go back down to bare concrete early on. And if it's okay if that happens, but what you're going to have to do then is prime that spot, treat it like bare concrete like you started over, and then do your finish coats.